Guys, it's Fonzie with DipYourCar.com, world famous peelable auto paints. Now, with more and more people dipping their cars every day, we're constantly getting the question, what is the best way to clean and maintain a dipped car? Now, just like with regular cars, you have people who just want to do a quick wash from time to time, and then you have the people who are obsessed. They want to go through the work, they want to go through a multi-stage process to get that car as clean and as detailed and maintained as possible. And that, my friends, is what we are doing today. Now, I knew this video was coming, so I took my tactical green Battle Wagon and I did not wash it for a month. It is filthy and disgusting. So we're going to go through a multi-stage process today, from washing to detailing to sealing it up with dip coat. I'm going to go through the whole thing with you guys. Let's jump right in. Alright guys, everything you see here is included in this ultimate dip washing and detailing kit. Now again, this is a multi-stage process. We're really going to be covering everything. Now, first things first, we are using a pressure washer on my car today. If you're going to be using a pressure washer, keep it at 3000 psi or below. Use the white tip, the wide nozzle tip, and just use some common sense. Don't go within an inch or two of the dipped surface. Now you can absolutely do this process without a pressure washer, using your garden hose for sure. Now, the first thing we're going to do before we touch any of the products is we're going to do step one, which is a full rinse on the car. We're just going to rinse the entire surface of the car with the pressure washer and some water, just to help loosen things up and get some of that large surface debris off the surface of the dip. Step two is going to be a foam bath. You've got a gallon of dip wash in your kit. You've got one of these washing mitts, and you've got one of two different foaming systems. You've got the foam cannon for your pressure washer, which is what we're going to be using today, and you've got a low pressure foamer, which is going to hook up to your garden hose if you don't have a pressure washer. Of course, this one's going to work better, but this one does work for sure. After the foam bath, we're going to rinse that off and we're going to come in and we're going to decontaminate the surface. Now, the Brake Dust Pro is actually going to be multi-use during this process. Of course, we're going to use it on the wheels. Doesn't matter if your wheels are dipped or not, still the best wheel cleaner that you can get. So we're going to use it on the wheels, but also just like regular paint, dipped surfaces do get iron particles that embed themselves in the dipped surface. So when you spray the Brake Dust Pro on the sides of the panels of the car, specifically the doors and around the wheels, give it about a minute and you're going to see that it starts to turn purple and react and releases those iron particles off the dipped surface. Not the craziest game changer in the world, but if you have a white car, a silver car, or a bright color dipped car, this is definitely going to make a big difference in keeping that color bright and vibrant down the road. After the decontamination, we're going to rinse it off again and we're going to go into some spot cleaning. This is bug delete. There is nothing else on the planet that cleans stains, sap, bugs, pollen off a dipped car as quickly and as safely as bug delete. We're going to be going around the car after the wash and the decontamination, finding any little spots that are stubborn, maybe some stains, and we're going to clean those off using the bug delete and the included microfiber towel. Then we're going to dry the entire car and we're going to come in and we're going to use our dip coat. Now, dip coat is obviously one of our most popular accessories. It's absolutely game changing. This is going to be the final step. Everything you see here comes in the kit. Let's jump outside and start cleaning the car. Alright guys, we finished up with the car. It looks absolutely beautiful. It looks like brand new dip all over again. Now, is this the only way to clean and maintain a dipped car? Of course not. You may want to do this exact same process step by step. You may want to take 1 or 2 steps out, or you may want to do it your own completely different way. And that's perfectly fine as long as you're enjoying your dipped car. But if you want to do it this exact way with this exact kit, just click right up here. It'll bring you to the kit and it includes everything we used on my car today. If you have any questions at all though, chat with us directly on the website or call in. We love to talk to you guys about the projects that you're working on. It's Fonzie. I'll see you on the next video.